Let's say person A sent person B cryptocurrency and we want to display the amount of cryptocurrency person B has. First, for this, we'll open up project and access blockchainserver.go. And first, we want to create a new API on our backend for Node. Let's copy our method for start mine. And for our method name, let's name it as amount this time. And the same goes for our handle func. We'll rename this to /amount and register amount. And from now, we want to write the contents of amount. We'll start off with switch rec method, followed by case HTTP method get. For this side, let's say person A wants to know how much cryptocurrency she or he has. Person A will want to provide his or her own blockchain address to the node and calculate it there. The result is sent back. That's the process that needs to happen, so we'll bring the blockchain address as a request from the web server that's considered the client. So this will be rec URL query get blockchain address. This is how blockchain address will be obtained, and then we work on amount. This will be amount BCS get blockchain calculate total amount, and to this we pass in our blockchain address. That's how we'll be able to obtain the amount. Next, we want to use JSON to check and run this, so we'll go to projects, and within block we have blockchain.go. We'll access this and we'll go to the very bottom section. Let's create a new struct here. This will be amount response, and this section we've covered before, so I'm not going to take too much time explaining. Let's write this in capital letter, and this will be JSON amount. Then we want to directly call on JSON Marshall and make it JSON format, so we'll write Marshall JSON here as well. Then we'll return JSON Marshall struct, followed by amount float 32, then JSON amount. Inside this amount, we'll place AR amount. We'll go back to blockchainserver.go now, and we have the amount response for our block. Inside this, we'll place the amount directly and create our amount response. Then the rest is not new. We'll write AR Marshall JSON. After we've encoded to JSON, then to our header, we add content type, followed by application JSON. That's our header, and next is write string. This is followed by our default log printf, error invalid HTTP method. And all there is left to write is write header HTTP status bad request. Let's run this by starting up our wallet server and blockchain server and confirm. After we've started this up, this time we're passing in amount question, then get query. So here we input our blockchain address. In our current setting, we haven't specified the address, so the amount is 0. Let's say this is person A's wallet and this is person B's wallet. We're going to copy person B's blockchain address and paste it to wallet A's sender's address and say 1 for our amount. We're going to click on send, then OK. This time we want mining to be performed automatically, so we'll refresh this and perform mining. Next, we're going to copy the address that we just sent the money to, and we have out amount question blockchain address, and we're going to add it on here. We'll hit enter, and then amount 1 is displayed. We use URLs in this way and add the blockchain address at the end. Then we'll be able to figure out the amount. Next, we want to obtain the amount from accessing this API from our wallet server.